Hey guys, this is Jacques from Akulu Linux and welcome to another video. So today we're releasing a new patch. I'm just going to open up Electra here. So I just right click and I chose chat with Electra. You can also just type something into the top bar. But I'm here in chat mode and I want to show you guys what's new. Okay, so firstly we've got, if I type /help here, you'll notice if you scroll up the long list of commands here, we've added GitHub integration. So you can now add GitHub to your Coder projects. So you can, it's really simple to use, and there's a GitHub guide as well. So anyway, so that's one of the new things, right? But this video is not about that today. I'm just showing that is integrated, and so you can just follow the steps. What I want to talk about today is the new feature that we added called Telegram. Now you guys know the Telegram app. It's a mobile app that you can run on your phone. I've got it open here in a web browser, so I've got the web, so I can just show you guys the actual Telegram app while I'm here on the, actually before that, because I'm resizing here, there we go, I'll just do it for socialize. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we are going to add Telegram. We're going to add Telegram to connect our PC, right? So we're going to connect our PC to our Telegram. So type /Telegram. It pops up and it says, gives you instructions. Step 1, create your bot. Open Telegram, search for @botfather. @botfather. So I'm going to copy that. And we're going to search here @botfather. There we go. So I'm going to open that. And then it says here, send a new bot. So I'm going to send new bot. Actually, I can just copy it from here. So I'm going to send new bot and then follow the prompts. So we're going to send new bot. And then it says, all right, the new bot, we're going to choose a name for your new bot. Okay. So I've got to type a name, which is, we'll make it bot. Good. Now let's choose a username for your bot. It must end in, okay, so I'm just going to bot. Sorry, this is already taken. Please take something else. Okay, so we're going to say test. No, we're going to say Makulu test bot. That should work. Congratulations on your new bot. You will find it at users token. So there's the token. It was that easy. Did you see? It was so. I just copied the token. Copy, select the text. There we go. I just typed new bot, then gave it a name, gave it another name. So sorry, this is the name. Then there's a username. And then it told me it was taken, so I typed another one, says must end with bot. So put bot at the end. That's it, boom, done, token. So I paste here now. Enter, validating the token. I pasted the token in here. It says post paste token here. There we go. Boom, done. So now I go and I look for this bot, Makulu test bot. This, I need to go search this bot. I hate this web interface. So I need to find that bot. So let's copy that. Copy selected text, go back, search here for, there we go, bot. There we go. So I'm in, start, done. So I'm in, right? And there it says bot is live. I'm in now. I'm literally in. So now I can type, if this is my mobile phone, I just type hello and watch. You see on my PC, hello, boom, and there I get the reply. Now the thinking mode does not go to the bot. You don't see that. You just see the final reply, right? You don't see the thinking mode, because the thinking mode is something that's done live and we're going through a bot, so you can't send that live typing through a bot, right? So you see the final reply, which the PC doesn't see because it gets generated onto your phone. So now I can talk from my phone to my PC easily. Image of a goat on a rock. I don't know, whatever. So now it's looking for images of a goat on a rock. Now on your PC it will open up here. On your phone it will show the image with the and it will ask, do you want to keep this image next? You see it's the same here. Keep image, next image, new search, all of that, all of those choices are shown here. So I'll just say yes, I want to keep the image, and that's it. You can even pull images through, images, videos, whatever. You can send commands to your PC. You can say diagnostics on my computer. See if everything is running okay. So I'm saying do a diagnostics on my computer. See if everything's running okay. Okay, there we go. That took a while. Boom, look at that. Jeez, it's all coming through. Don't know why I say bad request here, because it is coming through. It's obviously just, wow, diagnostics. Okay, don't ask diagnostics. You're going to sit here and read forever. Just look at all that. Wow, okay, finally finished. Okay, but on your phone, you can see like a full diagnostics, man. Wow, this is really like crazy information here. It's actually pretty good, but not something you want to do on a mobile unless you have to. But it's handy for everything else. You want to set a reminder, remind me 9 o'clock this, boom, boom, because you know you're going to be in front of the PC. You can tell it to do that. You want to run system commands, you want to get information, you want to code, anything you want to do. It's the same as typing something into the top bar here, this thing. It both goes through the routing agent, right? And so I'm just showing you guys that you can easily do things being connected via Telegram. So the process is easy. Just check again through the video. You just type /Telegram over here, follow the prompts, get the token, paste the token, boom, you're connected. And then after that, always when you open up Chat with Electra, we are not connected yet. You have to type /Telegram. And then it will say bot is live. Polling started. Bot is live. If you see that message, then you know you are connected. Your Telegram is connected. Then you can go to your bot, find your bot in Telegram, and you can just start chatting. Okay, so that's it. Telegram is now officially operational. Now I'll be expanding on this feature because I think this is just the first version 1 of Telegram bot that I'm using here. I'll expand. I'll find ways to make it better. Maybe I'll send some sort of more regular updates through instead of just making the people wait on long commands or something. I don't know. But it is operational. You can get images, videos, chat. You can do a lot of chat generation, get information off the internet. What's happening with the Iran war now? So I ask, what's happening with the Iran war now? Look, web search agent, it's fetching live data. And then watch, it's going to send it to the phone. So these types of things don't take too long, right? And there we go. There we get an answer. The US and Israel are still processing Tehran, but the biggest headline, extensive diplomatic pause. President Trump says the deal will happen, blah, 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 blah. So anyway, these types of things, getting like live web information, getting, chatting to the AI, getting stats from your PC, sending commands through to your PC. Maybe even you might have like a coding app running in the background. You could ask it what's happening with that. I don't know. I'm sure people find ways to connect, chat to their PC. The fact is you're connected to your PC. Every aspect of your PC. Like if you doing something and you want to save something, you could literally tell your PC, oh, create a document in my documents folder called reminder, and inside the document say, don't forget to do this, blah, 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 blah. Save the document. Boom. Or, whatever. So you can literally send documents to your PC and things like that. Whatever you want to do. It's all there. It's all operational. So yeah, the power of Telegram now on Makulu Linux. AIOS. Yeah, AIOS, yeah. So there we go. Watch the video again if you want to see the tutorial. But it's quite easy. Just /Telegram. Follow the prompts. Get the token. Paste the token. Of course, you need Telegram installed on your phone. And then once you paste the token, open the bot, chat to your PC, boom. To have the bot working, you must always, because now look, if I type hello, nothing, because nothing's happening here. I don't have Telegram open. However, just watch this now. If I go /telegram. Look, it processes it so it's queued. Oh, that's something else I want to show you guys here. If you type a command into your Telegram bot, yeah, and you don't have Telegram open, when you do open Telegram, even if it's 10 hours later, it will process those commands because they get queued here and then they'll come through here. Anyway, so yeah. Anyway, that's Telegram. Just remember, if you want to use it, you've got to type /Telegram before you leave your PC. Otherwise, it's not going to work. It's just going to queue commands. And then that's it. Very easy to use, very safe as well, because you can close it. And if you close it, it's gone. Nobody can connect, which is great. So when you want it, chat with Electra /Telegram. And also, don't forget, check out the GitHub. The guys that code. GitHub is now integrated as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this update. We'll be expanding on more features soon. I've got a whole list of stuff that I want to add and improve on. And by the way, I want to address this. Some guy was posting yesterday in YouTube, why don't we run KDE? I'm too busy. I don't have time for that. And I'm not a very big KDE fan. I know a lot of people are. I'm not. KDE to me feels like WordPress. You know, I don't know. Anyway, and the other thing is, he said people don't like terminals. I beg to differ. Linux people like terminals. We are on Linux, and you get more information on terminals. However, it doesn't mean we don't have GUIs or we're not working on GUIs. There is a GUI mode. We just don't make it known. Look, there is a GUI mode. Hello. It's just not very functional right now because it's work in progress. There is a GUI mode. You just have to type /GUI and you get it. Boom. Look. It's always been there. I just don't advertise it. The reason for that is only the chat really works in the GUI. The coder doesn't really work well. The novel doesn't really work well because I haven't gotten to finishing it yet. I'm still busy with features in the terminal and getting the app functional. Once the app is functional, I will finish the GUI. For now, you can use the GUI with chat. I'm not sure the rest is going to work very well, right? And you can change themes as well. So it's not that we don't have a GUI. I understand the guys will want to have a GUI. My priorities are just to get the app working. And currently on the terminal, I'm doing that. So once this is all finished and the app is working perfectly, I will then get to the finishing the GUI. So the guy that was complaining about we're not having GUIs, we do have a GUI. It's just partially completed. Only the chat portion works. So if you want to chat and you want a GUI, sure, just type /GUI. And it will just change from terminal to GUI. And then, you know, go ahead and chat. The rest on the GUI is not working yet. It will come with, sorry, that's Coda. It will come with time. You know, Rome wasn't built in a day. And things that you do well and do right take time. So you're just going to have to wait for that. The fact is, we have a very functional AI center now. It happens to just really work well on terminal. The GUI will come. Don't worry about that. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video today with the Telegram integration. Have fun with it. Report any bugs, whatever you find. And don't forget, the guys that want access to AIOS, pop over to Patreon, join our Patreon membership. And yeah, get yourself a copy of AIOS. Those guys all have access to AIOS. Lots of fun. And of course, you get loads and loads of AI. Even the models. We've got like 25 models that you can use as well. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Working late in the light of our Makulu screen, customizing themes that are oh so clean. A system stable with a heart of open source. Makulu's whispers guide me, no need to force. LibreOffice scribing through, no end, no cap. With every app I need, it's a creative sap. Yes, app. In the glow, in the flow, Makulu's insight show. AI core, open door, guiding as I go. The comfort of the code so bright in the screen's soft light. Makulu harmony in tech's endless flight. Smooth like the river, Makulu runs deep. Updates that deliver, promises to keep. Boot it up, feel the pulse, Makulu's beat so serene. With every line of code, it's like living the dream. AI's mind like the stars guides us through the night. Makulu's here, and everything just feels so right. In the grip of Makulu we find our pace, sailing through cyberspace with elegance and grace.